Hello, beautiful soul. I want to show you firstly my rose on my head. Rose is a powerful flower of love, and your spirit guides were inspiring me to share these two messages. And I was waiting to shoot them, um, tomorrow in the sunlight, but I know I needed to do it right now. So, number one is that today morning I woke up and I woke up with intense, like, what could have been, with my mother's loss. Like, I was thinking, like, it could have been like that, it could have been like that, it could have been like that. If I could have done that, I regret. And that deep pain and emptiness, you know, and I started to write it down on the journal, and it felt better. And then I was feeling so lost and so alone. I was like, I could not rely upon. I was like, okay, let me call my father and ask for some guidance and all. But then I remember the last time when I had done that, the way he behaved, it was like he couldn't get my emotion. So I was like, okay, I can't. And I went on a long walk, long walk, long, slowest walk in nature. And this is what I want to let you know, that, you know, you didn't know better. Like, you gotta, in some situations, look at yourself that you really didn't know better. And I have to, in my situation wherein I couldn't go visit my mom in her last few days because I didn't had the money to travel, and I had like my rent due for 3 months and all of that, and I was feeling very stuck in my mind, and I was like, I have no way and all of those things. Now when I look back, now I feel like, oh my god, I could have done that, I could have, but I was just feeling very stuck, and that regret was coming up. And then in those moments my heart was telling me, like, you really didn't know better. No matter how big or deep the mistake is, you gotta understand that you really didn't know better, and you have to forgive yourself. Okay, so I don't know what your situation is, but you have to have this attitude that you really didn't know better. Okay, and another thing was that when I was coming back from this walk, I was feeling so alone and uncertain, like, what next? How do I pay my rent? How do I eat my next meal? Like, how will I have the money for, like, moving forward for my groceries? What's next in my career? I don't want to go back to my hometown. I love being in nature, I love my life, like, because I'm becoming very healthier version of me as I'm living, where I am. But I have to find a way to pay rent and all of that. But I was feeling very lost and demotivated because of the financial thing, okay? And I just looked at a moon and the forest and all of that. I was walking, right? So the trees were around and the water bodies. I get to this long walk in nature, it's such a precious gift. And suddenly I looked at a moon, and it's gonna be the full moon. Like, today is 2nd of March when I'm recording this video, and 3rd March is a full moon. So today was also like, was almost full. And I was looking at it, and I just found that strength, like, there is always a way. So I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna get into the sunrise, like, get into the sun, and I'm gonna see how God inspires me. I'm gonna see how God leads me. I don't know anything, but I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna wake up, and that's enough. And then God will move my mind and my body, my heart. Sun will move my mind, my body, my heart. Mother Earth will move my mind, my body, my heart. And, like, I was also reminding myself that there is enough love for me in this world, there is enough support for me in this world. Because when we are stuck in this kind of situation, we can easily get into lack and feel like, oh my god, there is not enough for me and all of that. But I was just reminding myself, like, there is enough for me. There is enough love for me in this world. There is enough support for me in this world. There is enough money for me in this world. There is enough, yeah, and there is always a way. So when I was just looking at moon, and it was just a blind faith, like blind faith, you know, the energy that I'm moving with, it's really beautiful. I'm like, I'm curious to see how God leads me through this, how Mother Earth leads me through this. You want to book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me for spiritual guidance, psychic guidance? Link of that is in my bio. And you can also get into my 12 weeks of mentorship, which is very powerful. We'll work in 12 weeks. You know, let me reveal the magic that you have inside of you. And just so beautiful, incredible amounts of self-love you will cultivate within you. You will come into your artistic power, and just everything that God has been teaching me, beautiful. You know, I'm ready to share it with you and empower you and just elevate you in your life. Link of everything is in my bio. You can also donate for my rent, food and bills if you are in a position to. Link of that also is in my bio.